Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Angel, the podcast where you relax, listen, and improve your English one conversation at a time.
Hey everyone, I'm Liam, and I'm very happy to be here again with Angel and all of you listening.
Liam, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. I actually feel very productive today.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting.
Yeah, I finished 3 tasks on my to-do list before breakfast.
Wow, look at you already talking about your achievements.
Exactly. Perfect timing for today's topic.
Yes, today's episode is all about how to talk about achievements in English.
This is a very useful topic for English learners.
Definitely. People talk about their achievements all the time.
In job interviews,
In school,
on social media.
even when chatting with friends.
Sometimes someone asks you, "What are you proud of?"
Or what have you accomplished recently?
And if you don't know how to explain your achievements in English, it can be difficult.
Exactly. You might have amazing achievements, but you don't know how to talk about them clearly.
So today, we're going to help you with that.
We'll explain what achievements are.
We'll show you simple sentences you can use.
We'll correct common mistakes.
We'll even give you some practice.
By the end of this episode, you'll feel much more confident talking about your achievements in English.
So stay with us.
And let's get started.
Yes,
Okay, Liam, first question.
I'm ready.
What exactly is an achievement?
Good question.
Many learners hear the word but don't fully understand it.
An achievement is something you successfully complete or accomplish.
Especially something that required effort.
Yes, effort, work, or dedication.
So it's not just something small or random.
Right, usually it means you worked towards something.
For example, graduating from university,
That's definitely an achievement.
finishing a difficult project at work,
Another great example.
learning how to drive.
That one can be stressful.
Tell me about it.
Passing a difficult exam.
Starting a business,
Writing a book.
or even learning English,
Yes, that is a huge achievement.
especially if you've been studying for a long time.
Even small things can be achievements.
That's true.
For example, someone might say, "I finally learned how to cook."
That sounds small, but it's still an achievement.
Or, "I completed my first 5-kilometer run."
I would celebrate that.
I would celebrate surviving it.
Same here.
Yes,
Let's talk about simple ways to talk about achievements in English.
this is where many learners need help.
Because they often don't know which sentence structures to use.
The first simple structure is "I achieved,"
For example, I achieved my goal.
or "I achieved a high score on my exam."
Another common sentence is I successfully completed,
For example, "I successfully completed my training."
or I successfully completed a difficult project.
That sounds very professional.
Yes, it's great for work situations.
Another useful sentence is "I was able to,"
Example, I was able to finish the project early.
or "I was able to solve the problem."
Another one I like is I managed to.
That's a good one.
For example, I managed to pass the exam.
Or "I managed to learn basic Spanish in 6 months."
That would be impressive.
Very impressive.
Another sentence structure is one of my biggest achievements is.
That one is very common in interviews.
Yes, for example, one of my biggest achievements is starting my own business.
Or "one of my biggest achievements is graduating from university."
Simple sentences like these make your achievements clear.
And they sound natural in English.
Yes, now let's talk about real-life examples.
This is my favorite part.
Because examples help people understand faster.
Yes, let's start with work achievements.
Okay.
Someone might say, "I successfully led a team project."
Or I improved sales in my department.
Another example, "I completed a major report before the deadline."
That makes bosses very happy.
Yes, it does.
Now let's talk about school achievements.
Students often need to talk about these.
Example, I graduated with honors.
Or "I got the highest score in my class."
Another one, I completed my final year project.
That one usually comes with stress
Lots of stress.
and lots of coffee.
Now let's talk about personal achievements.
I like these.
For example, I learned how to cook.
Or I lost 10 kilograms.
Or I learned how to play the guitar.
Another one, I started my own podcast.
That reminds me of something.
Really? What?
I think we started a podcast too.
Oh yes, this one.
I think that's an achievement.
I agree.
And listeners are part of that achievement.
Absolutely.
Now let's talk about common mistakes English learners make.
This part is very important.
One common mistake is being too vague.
Yes, people say things like, I did something good.
That's not clear.
Instead, say something specific.
For example, I completed a difficult project at work.
Or, I finished writing my first book.
Another mistake is using the wrong tense.
This happens a lot.
For example, someone says, I achieved my goal last year,
That's incorrect.
because it's in the past.
So the correct sentence is, I achieved my goal last year.
Past tense.
Exactly.
Another mistake is not explaining the achievement clearly.
For example, someone says, I did something important,
That's mysterious.
but not helpful.
A better sentence is, I organized a successful event for my company.
Much clearer.
Now it's time for a mini practice segment.
I like this part.
I'm going to ask you some questions.
Okay, let's see if I pass the test.
First question.
I'm nervous already.
How would you correct this sentence? I achieved my goal last year.
The correct sentence is, I achieved my goal last year.
Perfect.
That was easy.
Okay, next one.
I'm ready.
I managed to finish the project yesterday.
The correct sentence is, I managed to finish the project yesterday.
Excellent.
Past tense again.
Exactly. Next one.
Let's go.
One of my biggest achievements is learning English.
That should be, one of my biggest achievements is learning English.
Good catch.
Because one of means we use the plural.
Very good explanation.
Thank you.
Now let's tell some fun achievement stories.
Imaginary stories?
Yes.
I like this already.
Okay, Liam, tell us about one of your achievements.
All right.
We're listening.
One of my biggest achievements was completing a marathon.
Wow,
I trained for 6 months.
that sounds tasking.
It was.
Did you finish the race?
Yes, I finished it in 4 hours.
That's impressive.
I was very proud of myself.
As you should be.
Absolutely.
Let me share one.
I'm listening.
One of my achievements was learning a new language.
Which language?
Let's say French.
Very fancy.
I studied every day for a year.
That's dedication.
And finally, I was able to have a full conversation.
That must have felt amazing.
It really did.
Nice.
Now let's practice with our listeners.
Yes, listeners, this part is for you.
We'll say a sentence.
And you can repeat it.
Ready?
Let's go.
I successfully completed a difficult project.
Say it again.
I successfully completed a difficult project.
Good.
Next one.
I managed to learn a new skill.
Repeat it.
I managed to learn a new skill.
One more.
One of my biggest achievements is finishing my degree.
Repeat after Liam.
One of my biggest achievements is finishing my degree.
Very good.
Thank you.
Now let's share some tips for talking about achievements confidently.
Tip number 1.
Be specific.
Don't just say, I did something good.
Explain what you did.
Tip number 2.
Use clear verbs.
Words like achieved, completed, created, managed, improved.
Tip number 3.
Mention the result.
For example, I improved our sales by 20%.
That sounds impressive.
Tip number 4.
Don't be afraid to celebrate your success.
Some people feel shy talking about achievements.
But it's okay to be proud of your hard work.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Well, Liam, we covered a lot today.
Yes, we did.
We talked about what achievements are.
We shared sentence structures.
We practiced corrections.
We told some fun stories.
I hope our listeners feel more confident now.
And we hope you start talking about your achievements in English.
Remember, every achievement matters,
Even small ones.
especially small ones.
They build confidence.
Thank you for listening to Talk Angel.
We appreciate every single one of you.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep learning
Keep practicing.
and keep achieving great things.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.